Okay, we've had a customer come in today with his BMW R1250 GS and he's having an S4 bundle and visor lights front and rear. Now I need to get my head around this one because what we're doing is we're putting the S4s on 2 circuits, we're putting the sound bomb on 1 circuit, and then we've got 1 circuit spare. And I've given the customer some options. We're going to put the rear lights through the relay that comes with the visor lights, but we're going to put the front DRL, the new white DRL for the visors, we're going to stick that through one of the circuits on the EasyCan, which means he can do this when he flashes 3 times. Because we have these actually on the EasyCan as a light pair 1, we can get them to strobe, and we can also configure them for daytime and nighttime. So I heard someone say the other day, Steve, you can't call this a DRL because they're actually driving lights as well. Well, we've just gone to turn them into a daytime DRL, and we can then turn them down at nighttime, so we can configure them to work as a driving light, so we can actually control dipped and full beam on the white light of the DRL on the visor turn signals. Pretty cool.